Good afternoon everyone present here. Actually, I am Ritika Singh Baghel from class 11 and she is Niharika, my teammate, and we are here to say something about our presentation which is on thermometer. So respectfully, members of National NCERT, National Institute of Education and from Bhopal, I am going to represent thermometer. So what is thermometer? Thermometer is a device which is used to measure temperature and it is a crucial element to record weather, climate and its changes. Firstly, we have wet and dry thermometer. So it is also known as wet bulb thermometer. It is for recording of dry temperature and wet temperature. So it is consist of muslin cloth and it's a container in which water is filled. So it records the humidity of an area where the temperature and heat is present. And in dry temperature, we record the temperature of that area wherever the heat and dryness is present, like outside as we can see right now. And it is consists of a bulb where is mercury element present and it goes upside when the temperature rises and it goes downside when the temperature decreases. So we have minimum and maximum temperature which will be explained by Niharika.
Good morning. I am Niharika. I am here to represent the minimum maximum thermometer. It is usually used by meteorologists, weather forecasting department, and it is used for measuring the current atmospheric temperature. So here we have two scales, minimum and maximum thermometer. The first one is minimum temperature, minimum thermometer. It is currently used when the last reading we had done, when the last reading we had measured. So we have done the practical a few hours before, and it is now the reading that shows here. It is 23 degrees Celsius. Means and in maximum, the current reading is showing is the 23 degrees centigrade. So diagonally the 0 degree above in maximum thermometer, the 0 degree above, it shows positive charge, and below the 0 degree it shows negative measurement. Whereas in minimum, below the 0 degree it shows positive measurement, and above the 0 degree it shows negative. Thank you.
ठीक है,
Thank you.
मैम नेक्स्ट मैं एनीमोमीटर के लिए बुलाना चाह रहा हूँ सोनाली वर्मा को। वो एनीमोमीटर अपना प्रेजेंट करेंगे। हाँ सोनाली बोलो। यस मैम। जी जी। तो मैं कंटिन्यू करूं? जी।
दूर से हाँ करते।
मैं इन लोगों की रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा हूँ, ऐसा उसमें दिखे।
हाँ
यस मैम। हाँ स्टार्ट करो सोनाली। हाँ।
Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers, Sir, Madam, and the esteemed officers of National NCERT, National Institute of Education, College Bhopal. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I am excited to share all of you. I am thankful to Sri Prasad Jaiswal sir, our geography teacher, who gave me this opportunity to stand here. And I am Sonali Verma from class 11, and she is Diksha Jaiswal from class 9C. And we are studying in Government School of Excellence, and we will be talking about the anemometer. Starting with the last scenario where anemometer played a crucial role such as weather forecasting during a natural disaster. And then I am telling about some applications of anemometer. The anemometer is used in meteorology for weather forecasting and climatic research, and in industrial applications such as in aviation for wind movement at airports, and as wind energy and for wind energy. Then she tell us about the types of anemometer.
Now I would like to tell about the principle of anemometer. The speed of wind is directly proportional to the rotation of cups or rockers.
And now I'm telling about origin of the anemometer. The anemometer has a research rating at the 15th century. The first known anemometer was invented by the Leon Battista Alberti, was known as the Italian polymath in 1450. And now she tells about units of the anemometer.
Units of measurement. Unit per meter, meter per hour, kilometer per hour, miles per hour, knots.
Anemometer that's tell us about which shows wind direction and speed of the wind is known as anemometer. It works like there are 4 cups and one vertical rod. When the speed is when the wind is flowing horizontally, then the cups are moved and they are देखिए in हिंदी यहाँ पे 4 कप्स जैसे इसमें लगी हुई है वर्टिकल रॉड में, और जब हमारी विंड जो है वो हॉरिजॉन्टली मूव करती है तो इस पे ये जो कप्स हैं वो मूव करती हैं, और ये जो जब कप्स मूव करती हैं तो ये हमें बताता है जितनी टाइम से अगर ये कप मूव कर रहे हैं, जैसे हवा चल रही है हॉरिजॉन्टली और ये मूव कर रही है, और अगर लाइक एग्जांपल अगर ये 15 सेकंड एक बार में मूव कर रही है तो मतलब इसकी फिर जो विंड की स्पीड होगी वो 15 सेकंड पर मीटर होगी, इसकी मीटर पर सेकंड होती है, और अगर ये बढ़ता जाए तो फिर किलोमीटर पर आवर में भी इसकी स्पीड आती है विंड की।